Hi! Welcome to Taste of Jamaica. What can we get for you today?
Yes, ma'am, it's you we're talking to. We're happy to have you.
I'm sorry, I'm not used to being acknowledged at Jamaican restaurants. They usually just yell. So.
Here at Taste of Jamaica, we believe in quality customer service. Now, what can we get you to eat?
I mean, I usually get the brown stew chicken with rice and peas, but if you don't have it, it's okay. Like, it's fine. I know it's on the menu, but I don't expect you to have it. It's not about me.
We have that.
Do you have ackee and saltfish?
Just cook a fresh pot.
Beef patties?
We have patty,
Jerk chicken?
leg and thigh, or breast and wing. We have everything.
That's impossible. There's no such thing.
A Jamaican restaurant with quality customer service and everything on the menu? Run.
We have everything!
Susan, we lost another one.
Oh, darn. And you know, I just finished whipping up my jerk potato casserole with raisins and mayonnaise. Dang it.
Can I please have a plate of brown stew chicken with rice and peas and fried plantain?
We not have that.
What about the pepper shrimp?
Hold on a second. Francis!
Yeah.
You have any pepper shrimp on the back?
No.
That finish.
Oxtails?
Oxtails? I want him, sir. You mean oxtail?
Yes, oxtail.
That done.
What do you have?
Miss, you can look on the menu, please, miss. The menu is what we have, miss. How would the lady you come by my piece for doing? You ordering or not, miss?
Patty?
Beef or chicken?
Chicken.
That finish.
Beef.
Me not have no change for this, you know.
We have everything!